Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are very fine. Today we will learn our English class 5th lesson 2 of unit 2. Lesson name is Flying Together. So let's see what is in that lesson. What are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? Get up in the morning, do the homework, pick your school bag. But what we don't follow them, we don't listen them, and later on we get in trouble because of that, because we don't listen to our elders or our parents. So in this lesson we see some birds don't listen to the old and wise birds, and later on they get in troubles. So let's start. What happened when you didn't do as they asked you to do? Let's see. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. They felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. Deep in the forest, there is a tall tree. Now, on that, some geese is the plural of goose. So they are living there on the tree, and it's very safe. And there, one bird is very old and very wise in them. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. One day he noticed a creeper. Creeper is a plant which uh, stand with the help of a wall over the trees. In the picture you can see it is growing along with the tree. Do you see that creeper? He asked to the other birds, young birds. He said to them, let us destroy it. He told to the other young birds to destroy the creeper. Why must we destroy it? But the other birds, the young birds, told to the old wise bird, why we need to destroy it? Why we should destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. All the geese asked to the old bird, it is so small, what harm can it do? They told, it's very small creeper, why we should destroy it? My friends, replied the wise old bird. My friends, replied the wise old bird, that little creeper will soon grow. Now the old bird said, yes, now it's very small, but very soon it will grow. It will become very big. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong. Now he said, yes, it's very small now, but later on it will become very strong and very thick. What of that? Asked the geese. What harm can a creeper do us? Now all the geese asked to the old wise bird, what this creeper can harm us? How it can harm us? It's a creeper. How it can harm the birds? Now let's see what the old wise bird said. Don't you see, replied the wise bird, with the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all. Now the old bird said, yes, it can harm us. Later on it will be strong, and with the help of that, any hunter can come on this tree and all of the birds can caught in his net, so he can kill all of us. So now see next. Well, there is no hurry, they replied. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. All the geese said, no, we are not in any hurry. We don't need to destroy it. Destroy the creeper while it is still young. The old bird the old bird said, we should destroy the creeper when it's young. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Now he said, it's very small now. We can cut it very easily. It's still growing, so you can cut it easily. And later it will become very hard and you will not be able to cut it. The wise old bird said, later on it will be strong and it's hard to cut it. We will see, answered the birds, but they didn't destroy the creeper. All the birds said, okay, we will see it, but they didn't destroy the creeper at the moment while the old bird advised them. So now see what happened. Creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice and the creeper grew. It began winding its way up the tree. They didn't listen him, they didn't destroy the creeper as the wise old bird advised them. Now the creeper becomes very big and strong. Stronger and stronger it became. Day by day it became very stronger until it was as strong as a thick rope. When time passes, the creeper becomes very strong like a strong rope or a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. When one day in the morning, all the geese went outside in the forest in search of a food. To get some food, they get outside. At the same time, an hunter came into the forest. So this is where the wild geese live, he said to himself. He said, oh, I found the geese in the forest on a tree, all of them living on this tree. When they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. Now he said, oh, when they will come after taking their foods from the forest in the evening, I will caught all of them in my net. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. Now see, the hunter climbed up on the top of the tree with the help of that creeper, which the old wise bird told the geese to destroy. He got to the top, and in the picture you can see the hunter climbed the tree with the help of that creeper and throw his net on the tree and spread his net there all around the tree. Then he climbed down and went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. They didn't notice the net. In the evening, all of the geese come back to the tree and they didn't notice there is a net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. When they come and sit there, they tried to flew, but they didn't, and they got caught in the net. They struggled hard to get out, but could not. They tried to get out of the net, but they couldn't. They are not able to get out of the net. Now they cry, help, help. Now all the birds crying, help, help, cried the geese. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? Now they are crying, help, help, and and told or said what we should do now. How can we get out of this net? All of them crying. In the picture you can see they are caught in the net and they are crying because they didn't listen the advice of wise old bird. Don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. Now the old bird said, don't mess it now. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper. Now he said, I advised you all one day to destroy the creeper. But you didn't listen me at that moment. But you didn't. Now see what has happened. Now you can see what happened. You all got trapped in his net because of that small creeper. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. Now the old wise bird said, we are caught now, and tomorrow morning he will come and he will kill all of us. We were foolish, wept the birds. Now all the geese said, we are foolish. We are sorry for that because we didn't listen your advice. We are very sorry we didn't not listen to you. Please tell us what to do now. Now all the geese asking to the wise old bird what we should do now. We are sorry because we didn't listen, but tell us what we should do now to get out of this net. Then listen carefully. Now the wise old bird said, listen now, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Now he said, when he will come back in the morning, you have to show like you are already dead. Just lie still. It's just a lie. We are not dead in reality, but we will just pretend. The hunter will not want dead birds because hunter don't need any dead birds. So he will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds. What he will do, because he don't need the dead birds, he will throw all of us on the ground so that he can easily get downside of the tree, and then he will think to collect all the dead birds and take to home. In the picture you can see birds are flying away and the hunter is looking all the birds when they are flying. Now you see how they flew away from the net. Take them home. When the last of us been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. Now the old wise bird said, he will throw all of us on the ground to collect later. When he will throw the last bird he will throw, that moment we all should suddenly wake up and flew away. In the morning the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. He looked in the net. All the birds were there, but they are all dead. Now he see all the birds are dead. They are not more live. He muttered to himself. He said it to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. All the birds still showing like they are dead until the last bird was thrown on the ground. Then all at once they got up. After throwing the last one, all the birds get up. They got up and flapped their wings. They flapped their wings up and down and they flew away. After that, all the birds flew away from there. The hunter was taken by surprise. Now the hunter surprised. He is amazed. How is it possible? Because in first he saw all the birds looking dead, but now all flew away. From the top of the tree he watched all the geese fly away. From the top he see all the birds are flying away from there. So children, from this story we learnt we should listen to our elders and the old ones because they always tell us for our good. Sometimes we didn't listen them and later on we get in troubles. This is happened because we didn't listen their advice. So now on your promise you will always listen to your elder and older ones. Thank you. If you like this video, subscribe our channel. Bye, take care, have a nice day, see you soon in next video.